Did you know that over 420 million people worldwide speak Arabic? However, despite the prevalence of the language, recognizing Arabic digits remains a challenge. In this video, we'll explore the challenges of identifying Arabic digits, the importance of accurate recognition technology, and how TinyML platforms like Cainvas can help develop and deploy efficient and reliable recognition systems for Arabic digits. Arabic digits pose unique challenges when it comes to recognition. First, they are connected, making it difficult to separate them visually. Additionally, the shape and form of Arabic digits can vary significantly depending on their position within a word or sentence. Finally, Arabic is written from right to left, which requires recognition systems to be specifically designed to handle this directionality. TinyML platforms such as Cainvas can provide a powerful solution for recognizing Arabic digits. These platforms allow for the development and deployment of machine learning models on low-power, resource-constrained devices such as microcontrollers. To build an Arabic digit recognition system using Cainvas, one approach could be to use a convolutional neural network. CNNs have proven highly effective at recognizing visual patterns, making them well-suited to tasks such as digit recognition. A large dataset of diverse Arabic digit samples would be necessary to train a CNN for Arabic digit recognition. Once a suitable dataset has been collected, it can be used to train the CNN using the Cainvas platform. The trained model can then be deployed on a microcontroller or other low-power device, allowing for efficient and reliable recognition of Arabic digits in real time. Recognizing Arabic digits is a challenge that requires sophisticated recognition algorithms and training models on large datasets. However, with TinyML platforms such as Cainvas, we can develop and deploy Arabic digit recognition systems that are both accurate and efficient. These systems have potential applications in fields such as finance, healthcare, and more. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.